Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add another account in WhatsApp in iPhone. If you're using WhatsApp in your iPhone and you want to add another account in your WhatsApp, so let's see how can you easily do that. So you just have to simply open your WhatsApp app and here you have to tap on the bottom right corner to access your settings. Here you can see there's no any option to add another account. So basically in WhatsApp and your iPhone there's no any official way to add another account in your single WhatsApp app. But you can still use two accounts. So you just have to open your app store here. Have to simply search for WhatsApp Business. So you have to search for WhatsApp Business and you will get the app. Here you can see I have already installed this app and I'm using this app from a long time and there's no any issue with this app. So you can easily use this without any issue on your iPhone or any iPad. Or if you don't want to use your WhatsApp Business, you have to open your App Store and you have to search for an app which is Dual App. Simply search for that and you will get the Dual App. Now you can easily add two accounts or two WhatsApp apps on your one iPhone. So in any way you cannot use two accounts in your WhatsApp app. You can make a copy of your WhatsApp app in your iPhone or you can use WhatsApp Business instead. So if you use WhatsApp Business, there's a direct way, or if you want to make a copy of your WhatsApp account, you have to use your dual app, any dual app from here. You can only use dual app to make a dual or a copy for your WhatsApp app, and after that you'll be able to use two accounts. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.